The move I'm going to be showing you today is called the Charlier cut, and it looks like this. It's probably the easiest one-handed cut, and it's a pretty simple move, and it's actually used in a lot of other cardistry tricks. So what you want to do is hold it in straddle grip, which looks like this. It's the index on top, pinky on bottom, and your middle and ring are on the side. And then your thumb's going to be doing the actual cut. So the first part is actually separating the packets like this. And how I like to do that is when I put my thumb on the side of the deck, because that's what's cutting it, I actually will only put pressure on the top part of the deck. And so when I go to let go of the bottom half with my thumb, I'll roll my thumb like this. It'll actually drop a pack of cards in my hand. Once you've made that cut, what you're going to do is take your index finger and make sure you keep your pinky right here to keep the cards kind of squared up and neat. You're going to take your index finger and you're going to start pushing on the corner, like the number of the bottom packet. It's going to go up like this. And what you're going to do is actually kind of pull your thumb back a little bit. So I guess loosen up your thumb. And then this bottom packet is actually going to drop like this. And what you're going to do is just remove your finger from the bottom of the packet, and then you can kind of just square it off. And when you do all that fast, looks like that.